Alright, since the first night session Human Resource Machine episode went very well, I decided to do another one right after, so it's still late. It's half an hour later than what I told you in the previous episode. Still have some water left, and I'll just take a look. I assume, since this is usually how it goes, very good episode, so I expect a bad episode today. Don't expect me to do anything great here, but we'll do the scavenger chain and hopefully at least find a solution. Cough cough. Yes, it's getting a little drafty up here. Okay, finally someone addresses the broken window. Finally. Facilities management has been notified. Okay, but we still have work to do. Okay, each pair on the floor contains data, the address of another one of the pairs. A scrambled chain. Each thing in the inbox is an address of one of the pairs. Outbox the data for that pair, and also the data in all following pairs in the chain. The chain ends when you reach a negative address. Repeat until the inbox is empty. Each thing in the inbox is an address. Okay, so 23 is the address of this one. So we should start here. Outbox the data, we outbox the C. I don't understand. Each pair on the floor contains data? The address of another one of the pairs. What's the address of another one of the pairs? If that's the address, each thing in the inbox is an address. 23 is the address. Then that pair doesn't contain the address of another one of the pairs. Oh, no, okay. Oh, I get it now. 23. 23 is this. Ah, I'm stupid. It's not a value, of course. It's the tile number. Okay. So 23. The data for this is A, and the address is 10, and 10 is right here. Okay. So we go to 10, outbox to P, go to 20, outbox to E. We have a -1, we're done. Next item. Alright. I think we can do this. We copy to... Yeah, I need to copy it down, because I can't... Yeah, no, that's not the way. I copy it down, we'll put it right in the middle here. Smack dab in the middle. And then we do... So it's 23 here. This is our current address. Outbox the data for that pair. We copy from what's referenced by our current address. Then we outbox that. We bump up our reference address thingy. We copy from what's referenced by our address now. Copy it to the address field. Actually, we don't even need to do that because we can just jump. So we put the 23 down. Copy from what's referenced by 23, which is the A, and outbox it. Bump up our address. Well, yeah, the address by 1 to 24. Copy from what's referenced by this, which is this. So we have the 10 in our hands. And we put it down in the middle. Copy from what's referenced here and outbox it. And we do that as long as... Okay, so that doesn't work. But it almost does. Like, it would work. It does. I just can't break it. Because I never know, because right now see. Okay, the problem with that is that I would go to. This would be it would be a very beautiful solution if the data was the break value, but the value that, or the thing that makes me stop the chain is the -1 in the address field, and I don't check that. I can't check that because I start with the data, I outbox it. Okay, well, I guess we'll ask. Do I output the last? Do I outbox the E or not? If it's free, I should outbox cape. Okay, free is C. Yeah, okay, so that doesn't matter then. Alright. Alright. Let's see if that works. Okay, so far so good. Ape is a word. Oh, I don't loop. I have more than one item in the inbox. I forgot that I did that. I did have that. Okay. Actually, can I do it like this? Ape, and the next one is escape. Perfect. This looks like a very good solution to me. Yep, exactly 8. But 4 steps too many, okay. 4 fewer steps. What am I doing that is unnecessary? 4 steps seems also like a weird number, because I outboxed what? Ape, and then escape. So that's 8 letters. So for every second letter, I have an extra step that I don't need for some reason. I'm not sure where I'm wasting steps to. Let's look at it slow. I have to do this. Oh, I guess. How many steps do I have? 67. If I don't check if negative here. Well, no, that's only 2 steps that I save, right? But it would be a save. What did I have again? 67, okay. So this should be like what, 65 now? Oh, it's exactly 63. 63. Why though? I thought I would only save 2, not 4. Because I don't... I'll never get something negative from the inbox. This assumption here. Which I could theoretically, actually. It never said that I don't, but that I won't, but okay. But why do I save 4 steps and not only 2? Oh, because I saved a jump as well. Once I copy something negative, I don't jump and then check and jump again. That makes sense. That's the other 2 steps that I save. Alright, solved that. Fairly quickly too. This night session is going really well. Alright. I didn't even have coffee before this. I'm really surprised. Okay. Now I don't even care if this goes... Like if I... should I even attempt this? Sure, we'll give it a shot. Digit Exploder. Year 38. This might be hard though. Our users have been rating some of our hardware products with 1 star. That's not good. With user reviews citing draws too much power and overheats. Numbers are too complicated for test subjects. Occasionally removes alarming volume of skin from human users. So management has come up with a solution, naturally, to make the numbers smaller and easier to understand. Grab each number from the inbox and send its digit to the outbox. For example, 123 becomes 123. Well, it's basically division, right? Why do I get a 0 though? I thought I would have 110 and 100 there, but I don't. Okay. Oh, I need 0 for counters, so that makes sense, I guess. Don't know if I need all of that, but we'll see. Actually, I don't think I need that. Okay, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Don't question me. Oh man, I copy that to 0, and then I do subtract 100, and if it's negative, then I've gone too far. So I add it back. And if it's not negative, I bump up the 100 counter, which is right here. And either way, I save it back down. I take the 7. 7 minus 100 is negative. So I add 100 and I'm back to 7 and I put it back down. And if it's not negative, I bump the counter up. So once 100 fits in. And then I need to copy it down here, because I don't have it in my hand after the bump. Just means I need to copy from... Right, yeah. And then the next step is basically the same thing, right? I do copy from 0 sub 10. If that's negative, I add it back. No, what am I doing? Ah, come on. I add it back. Put it back down. It's good. And if it's not negative, I copy it down. I bump up the counter for the 10s and I jump all the way up here, and then once I've done that, I'm done. So I go to outbox. This seems like too simple. I'm making a mistake. I have to be. I mean, it's definitely kind of ugly. Let's just see it do. Let's see it go. Seven minus 100 is negative. So I add it back, put it back down. Oh, I don't want to outbox zeros. I already have one mistake. But let's just see if this is. But yeah. Yeah, and I assume I can't get the zero. Yeah, we have a good number here now. Let's try if this works. It was 846, so we should get the counter here up to 8. Unless I made a logic mistake, which I might have, because I didn't really pay attention. Yeah, see, there's a... Or was it 946? I don't remember what it was now. It definitely was 40 though. If this goes too high, then we have a mistake. Oh, looks like it was 946. Nice. 85. Yeah, this works. This is cool. I like this. It seems like a solid solution too. But it fails on other possible inputs. Well, okay, then give me those possible inputs. Oh yeah, 207. I don't outbox the zero here. How do I fix that? That's an interesting one. I don't want leading zeros is the thing. I guess I can jump it maybe. Can I jump it? This code is getting weird, but like if I outbox this one, okay, it's a better way to do it. The problem is leading zero. I don't want leading zeros, and I could have two. Like if the 6, it would be 006, and I don't want to output either of those. But if it's 207 or 60 in that case, like that's also, well, 60 is not a problem because I always outbox the last digit because that's never a leading zero. But 207 is an issue because I would ignore. Like what I'm saying is that the one digit can never be the first digit. I don't know how to put this. But yeah, this one can never be a leading zero because then I would have just 0 as a value, which I don't get. But this one I can't tell if this is a leading zero or not because I don't know if I have outboxed anything before. Like my code here, I just check. I grab the how many hundreds. That's a 0. I don't outbox it because that is always leading. If the first one is a 0, that's always leading. But the second one, the tens, that could be leading or it could be part of the number. So I guess, I mean, I could do it really ugly. I think I could do it like if I outbox the first number, I always want to outbox the second number, so I could do it like this. That would work, I think. Yeah, that should work. Let's actually see if it does. It should though. Yeah. That's definitely not optimized. 32, we're actually really close again. Steps are pretty far off though. Actually really far off, did not expect that. Yeah, let's look at this a little bit more. I don't want to do another lever in this episode, but maybe we can get the commands down by 2. I don't know how we would do that though. Yeah, I have to have the 0 counter thing. I can't really move that. Or can I do that somehow? Like this is... I can reduce the steps by moving that down. Right before the jump. Because then I don't copy from when I first enter the loop. So that's one step. And then I don't copy from when I am... No, actually that doesn't matter. So that would only save, what, 4 steps. It's not really that big of a deal. I guess we can do it anyway. Same thing here. Can I have this in the loop? No. Because I only... Well? No, I can't. No, I can't. Because I have to bump after I copy 2. Because I copied the new value down, like after the subtraction. I could do whatever, 337 minus 100. Then I have 237 in my hand, and I would need to save that and then bump. So no. Ah, that is stupid though. Why do I do that? I don't need that, right? Because I don't save the value if it goes negative. I just have a negative value in my hand. So instead I can do this. So there's one command saved. And I can get rid of both of these. I think. I'm not sure now. Let's see. Yeah, looks like it works. Yeah, I'm just... Yeah, what I did there was just... I had the value in my hand already. Oh no, I had it saved already, and then I had the wrong value in my hand, and I changed the value in my hand and saved it down again. Which was completely obsolete at that point. I should also save a few steps. 211, yeah, it's better. Still not good. I'm not sure where my large overhead is. Because it's still a lot. 46 steps. That is a lot. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. Because I have to, all these variable saves actually probably, I mean those are a lot of steps, but I need all of them because I can't keep the number in my hand and bump the counter, which is a big problem with these always in terms of saving steps and commands. Because I have to bump up the counter, otherwise I don't know anything. And in order to bump up the counter, I need to save what I have in my hand. And then pick it back up after I bump, because I have what I bump in my hand, and I don't need that. No one needs that. Yeah, I don't really know where the large difference is coming from in terms of steps. And I can't think of a different way to solve this that would be quicker. Because, I mean, with the small numbers here, it's not that bad, right? I set up the 2 counters, I need those. I'm not using a third counter because I used the remaining value of my inbox number for the last digit. So that's I think that's pretty good already in terms of saving steps. I have to see if it's in the hundreds. It's not. I have to see if it's in more than 10. It's not. And now I don't know though, I can't... I have to check these. See if they're really 0. I don't think I could do that in a better way. Like, this feels not very wasteful in terms of steps. I mean, I don't have to reset now, but I don't know that. And any way to check if I have to reset would require more steps than just resetting anyway, so... Yeah, this just really doesn't feel wasteful at all. I'm not sure how I can save that many steps. Actually, I'm not only not sure, I have no idea. Like, not in the least. Bump up the counter. Grab it again. Yeah, I have to do that. Check the next thing. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see a way. Because it's such a large difference. You know what I mean? If I were like 10, 15 steps off, I would say, yeah, I don't know, that's probably something I can optimize. And I mean, all of those iterations, I mean, I guess they run a long time, potentially. But I don't see a better way to do it. Yeah, I don't. I mean, it's basically division. What I'm doing. Maybe I should look at my division code. From that, whenever there was small divide or whatever the name of that lever was. Maybe I see something there. But yeah, this is it for today. Very, very successful day, I would say. Again, like 3 optimization lights in one day, in one episode. That's all I can ask for at this point. So only 3 more to go, and then, depending on how these go when I solve them, at least 3 more optimizations, potentially up to 9. We'll see how it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.